Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And today we have a very special video for you. It's an unboxing video from a product that you're really gonna like. So without further ado, let's get right to it. All right. So we got this really exciting product sent over from a company called Zen, and they have developed a wireless AI box for your car. And basically what it does, it brings Apple CarPlay, Netflix, YouTube to any vehicle wirelessly. So let's check out this product, let's take a look, and let's talk about it. First off, let's see what's in the box. Okay. Alrighty. So this company sent me an email and they wanted me to review this product and unbox this product. And I thought, you know what? Why not? So they sent it over, it arrived. Let's take a look at this box. And here it is. Kind of looks like an Android box. And they call it the Zen Magic Box Car Support TF card slot. Okay. And if you're wondering about the price is not that much. I think it's about $100. So let's go about the features. The features, the Android 11 system. It has video, music, a TF card, the app. The CPU for this product is a Qualcomm Snapdragon, 4 cores, 2 gigahertz. And the wireless frequency is 802.11 ABG and NAC. So that should be capable enough to transmit anything wirelessly at a fast speed. And it supports any phone up to iPhone 6 and iOS 10. And it also supports Android phone, Android 11. And let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay. You know what I need? I need some sort of knife in order to open this box up. Okay. Okay. All you need is a little hole at first. And right here you can scan a QR code, I guess. The QR code gives you information on the installation, but it's pretty much easy to install. And I'm sure the instructions should be in here. So, okay. Okay, so it folds out just like this. All right, put this down here. And if you want to know about the Android box, and it's not an Android box for your TV, it's actually for your vehicle. So you want to scan that QR code and it should give you every single piece of information that you need. Oh, so this item looks really cool. Really lightweight. Really lightweight. And this is the company right here, Zen. They sent it over. So it has a slot for SD card, so you can I guess store movies and store different stuff that you want to watch. And there's a USB-C. So basically what you have to do to install it, very, very simple. Take this cord right here. Well, it has a bunch of cords. This cord right here, plug it in to this right here, and then the other end into any of your USB outlets. Wait. Okay, so yeah, this is the one that you need. So most cars, as your car comes with USB-C, and then you can connect it directly from here to your USB on your car to the box. If your car comes with well, most of you are probably going to use this connector, which is the USB-C to the USB, original USB. So you plug this part right in here, plug that in here, plug this into one of your USB outlet. So you probably want to mount this to anywhere near your USB-C outlet on your car. Make sure that what I would suggest is that you get some double-sided tape and you put it on here, and then you just mount it. That way this is not moving around in your car or in your cup holder, and then that way it's secure. So it doesn't come with some double-sided tape, but I strongly suggest that would be the best thing for you. Let's see if it comes with a micro USB card. Does it come with a micro USB card? No, it doesn't. I actually thought it would come with a card, but it doesn't. So you'd have to probably get a micro SD card. And that's if you want to save some of the stuff. And here is the user manual. Seems very, very simple. Very, very simple instructions. As far as I know, you just download the app and you plug this into your vehicle, and then you follow the instructions, connect this wirelessly, and boom, you can have like Apple CarPlay and a whole bunch of entertainment for your vehicle. I find this product to be very, very useful. And the build quality, I would say, is very, very excellent. I think that if you're looking for this certain type of device, that I highly recommend it. And I strongly recommend that you go check them out. So this, if you can see some of the apps that you get, you can basically turn any dash screen on, say, a Toyota into have the Apple CarPlay system. Wirelessly. So this is really, really cool. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I think that you should definitely go out, check out the product. Really, really nice product. Take care, have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.